Hey everybody, Wednesday morning, January 3rd. Here's the updated Astro Excel sheet for 2024. This is the standalone Excel sheet that comes with the Perfect Storm book and trading software. This is for people who do not use NinjaTrader. It allows you to see the Astro Excel calculation in various forms, from a 2-hour up close look to the daily, weekly, and monthly. This is the monthly look for January. I'm not going to go through all the bumps and everything, but you can see general trend from the 3rd up until the 8th between midnight and 8 in the morning. Then we've got this sharp 3-wave decline down into the 13th, 14th, and then gradual upward push until we get out to the 24th, a little down move to the 27th, end of the day session there, and then moving sharply up until the 29th around midnight, and then down into the end of the month. You can see the timestamps here are at the 0 line. Let me scroll over. This chart actually runs up into February 2nd. But you can see the timestamps below the 0 line, the -10, -20 line, then the +10 and +20 line here. You can see we've got 2 bumps above the +20 line here, one early, one late in the month, and then we have the big dip here down the 13th and 14th that goes down and exceeds the -20 area. You can see the date here and then the time. These are time stamped every 8 hours, goes from 0 hour midnight to 8 a.m. to 1600, then back to midnight. So you can zoom in on this tool, zoom out, get a closer look. You can pick up the blue line spikes off of here. If you want it more precise, you go to the other calculation, you look at the weekly or the day. And then if you want to look at the fast moving timers, you can dial into the 2-hour segment of the chart, so you can pull out any 2-hour segment at any time by inputting the date. So there's a look at the monthly projection. That'll give you the general trend indication for the month ahead.